Hi, this is Rick Pedley, and welcome to PK Safety. Today we're going to be looking at a Honeywell replacement carbon monoxide sensor, and this is the SR-M-MC. This little guy comes in a little plastic wrapper that's going to keep it safe from contamination, dirt, whatnot, until you're ready to use it. The sensor itself is quite small, easy to replace. Take off the cover in whatever instrument that you're using, pluck this out, put it back in, and calibrate it. Now this fits our XT, MCXL, MCX3, and several other instruments, so it's kind of a workhorse. When you buy the instrument, they're warranted for 2 years, but unless they get poisoned or damaged or something, we've seen these things last 3 to 5 years, so pretty economical to own. Now, carbon monoxide, of course, the silent killer, is something we want to pay particular attention to because of the insidious nature of the way it poisons people, mimics flu symptoms and so on. Carbon monoxide is something you really don't notice on your own. That's why you got to have a gas detector. So if you have any questions about this sensor or any of the instruments we sell, please give us a call or visit us online at pksafety.com. Thank you.